why are my YouTube videos getting low views, or why are my YouTube videos are not getting views anymore? These are the questions that we need to answer, because there are three things I actually want to share with you today. And if you can actually, follow these three things, you are going to get your views back. Some people even said, as before, anytime I uploaded a video, I get 20k views, 30k views, 50k views. But right now, the videos, those videos that you publish right now, they barely get 100 views, 200 views. I think this is the questions that we need to answer. But I want you to take a look at three things. Firstly, maybe your viewers are spending less time on YouTube. That is the first thing. And I'm going to show you how you can actually publish your video, so that anytime they come back to the YouTube, they will exactly get your video and watch it. And again, maybe your viewers are watching different channel. Then how can you solve this issue? If they are not watching your channel anymore, then how can you get YouTube to recommend your videos below the videos they are watching under different channel? Is something I'm going to explain today. And again, maybe you are getting something wrong with your uploading settings. Maybe you are getting something wrong, which I'm equally going to explain in details. Now, the first thing is, maybe your viewers are spending less time on YouTube. I want you to go to your YouTube analytics right now. Maybe you have not been doing it before, but this is something you need to start doing right now, because you need to get your views back. Go to your YouTube analytics, go to the audience, then go and check the behaviors of your audience. There is a new viewers, there is a casual viewers, and there is a regular viewers. The new viewers, they are the one that just discover your video and watch it. The casual viewers are the one that is just scrolling through the YouTube homepage, and just discover your videos and watch it and get out. But the regular viewers, these are the people that subscribe and watch videos and still come back to rewatch again. Then maybe they are spending a less time on YouTube. Then there will be a specific period they usually come back to YouTube to watch video. That's why you need to study your audience behavior. Study when your audience are watching videos on YouTube. It is there in the YouTube analytics. I think that is the best time you can possibly post your video, so that anytime they come back to the YouTube to watch any video, they can possibly get your videos and watch it. I think this is the best thing. Start studying your audience behavior. It's the first thing I'm going to tell you. Study your audience behaviors, because those viewers who already subscribe to your channel, when they come to YouTube and you did not upload your videos at those time, and after they have left doing another thing, then you start publishing your video, I think you are going to miss your audience. So that's why you need to start studying your audience behavior right now. Start from today. Always study that YouTube analytic. It is very, very important. Now, secondly, maybe your audience are currently watching different channel. Yes, it is possible. Maybe they find it, they have been watching your videos for quite a long of time, but they now decided to say, okay, let me even go to another channel and watch another video. There is a way you can possibly make YouTube to recommend your videos below the current videos they are watching right now. That's why there is something they call YouTube recommendation. It's still under YouTube analytics, which you need to study. Then how can you make YouTube to recommend your videos even though your audience are watching different channel? I think this is how you can do it. It is by start getting to optimize your title and your thumbnail. It is very, very important. Then how do you do this? Is when you optimize it in such a way that the way audience are searching the videos, the way they are searching videos on the YouTube, when you make content of them, then optimize your title based on the way they search their videos. I think that's how you can possibly get YouTube to recommend your video, because when an audience come to YouTube and type in a keyword that he or she actually want to watch videos, and the keyword actually matches your title, I think your video is going to get higher recommendation. That's why you need to start doing this right now. Even though your thumbnail, make it curiosity, but there's another feature right now in the YouTube studio. It is only available for those people who are on the advanced settings. That's why you need to set your channel very, very well, set it properly, ensure that your channel is in advanced settings. So there is an A/B title test and A/B thumbnail test, in such a way that you can upload your videos with 3 titles, 3 thumbnails, in which YouTube will take your thumbnail and title and test it for 2 weeks, then return back with the result and tell you that it is this kind of title, it is this kind of thumbnail that work well among these three options. Now it is available. So you can start doing this. Yes, instead of you using one title and one thumbnail, you can decide to say, okay, let me place in three different kind of title, three different kind of thumbnail, so that yes, at least one of it will perform very well. At least one of your titles will matches the search of different audience. Just imagine. So I think this is something you need to start doing. Start optimizing your YouTube title, or let me see why YouTube are, or let me say why my videos are getting low views on YouTube, or why my videos are not getting views anymore on YouTube. These are some kind of keywords I need to optimize my videos around so that it can possibly get to the audience. So that is another thing you need to do. Ensure you get your channel to be recommended, so that even though when your audience are watching different channels, your videos will be suggested below the video they are currently watching. And after watching that video, they can easily click your video, and that's how you generate your click and they will watch it. Then another thing is, which is the third thing I'm going to share with you, is how you upload your videos. I told you uploading your videos should be from the YouTube studio, so that you can possibly get your settings quite all right. And while uploading your videos, ensure the descriptions is well written. Descriptions is another way YouTube can possibly recommend your video. When you upload your videos without descriptions, I think those people who actually optimize their video very well, write the title, write the description, they are still possibly going to be recommended higher above you, because YouTube will actually understand their content very deeper with the YouTube description in which you have written. So that's why we employ you today to start writing descriptions there, so that you can possibly get your views back. It's not easy. So including tags, because if you made a mistake or if there's any kind of misspellings in your videos, these tags can possibly correct the YouTube algorithm that this is something you are going to say, or this is something you are trying to say. So I think it is very, very important for you to include tags. Then I'm telling you, category is very, very important. Categorize your video. Don't do these mistakes. Don't just publish your video without categorizing, because if your videos is being categorized under different people who are watching different content, when your content reach them, they will find it very difficult to watch your content, because this is not something they subscribe for. So that's why you need to categorize your video, so that the right audience, the audience you targeted, will be the one to watch your videos. I think when you upload your videos with the right settings, you are still going to get your views back. Then when you actually want to publish your videos, some people actually put their video under unlisted, or let me say under schedule. And at the end of the day, when they don't put it in public, or let me say publish, then how do you want to get views? Check this thing very well. Then equally check for copyright restriction, because if your videos is having any kind of copyright restriction, you are still going to get low views. You are not going to get views, because your videos is not going to reach large amount of audience. Start checking all these things today. As I have said, maybe your audience are spending less time on YouTube. You should know how to post your videos whenever your audience are back to the YouTube. Again, maybe your audience are watching different channel. Now, know how to optimize your title and thumbnail, so that YouTube can possibly recommend your videos below the kind of videos they are watching presently right now. And lastly, how you upload your videos. Upload your videos very well, so that the YouTube algorithm can possibly understand the kind of content you have published, and this is how you can possibly get your views back. Just continue with this strategy. At the end of the day, your videos who are getting low views today will still generate a lot of views in another day. So this is the update. If you have any comment based on this, guys, do not forget to like the video, make a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.